Amphibious Indonesia, high-quality dredging solutions, shaping a better future. Amphibious Indonesia proudly presents AI02-5CT 5-ton standard arm. Specifically designed for waterway and coastal operations across Indonesia. This unit features a 5-ton upper structure, equipped with a reliable standard arm. Supported by an amphibious undercarriage, engineered by Amphibious Indonesia, ensures full stability and safety in full floating condition. In this project, the AI02-5CT operates in Batam coastal waters. Batam's coastal environment requires equipment that is stable, efficient, and safe. With its amphibious pontoon system, the machine moves smoothly across water surfaces. The standard arm provides optimal reach for dredging and routine waterway maintenance. AI02-5CT is ideal for normal dredging and light excavation works. Operational stability remains consistent, even during water-based activities. A dependable hydraulic system delivers smooth and responsive control. Equipped with amphibious pontoons, designed for both water and soft ground operations. Featuring a retractable and extended pontoon system, allowing flexible width adjustment during operation and transport. Equipped with a hydraulic spud system, providing strong anchoring during dredging operations. The spud system ensures machine stability, especially in flowing water and soft riverbed conditions. This improves digging accuracy, safety, and overall operational control. This amphibious excavator is the right solution for medium-scale waterway operations. Highly effective for canal normalization, drainage, and coastal maintenance works. Durable, stable, and efficient in various working conditions. Built by experienced professionals in amphibious excavator manufacturing. AI02-5CT 5-ton standard arm, a reliable solution for Batam waters. Amphibious Indonesia, supporting Indonesia's development from the water.